No, machining steel with a 6-axis robot is generally impossible because it lacks stiffness and accuracy. It would result in chattering and high vibrations, making it suitable only for softer materials with reduced cutting speeds.
Siemens is at the forefront of innovation in industrial robotics. And here at EMO 2025, we are showing some groundbreaking technology that is advancing the precision and productivity of robots. And we're going to look at this by talking to Umberto Neuwert. Umberto is one of our system managers for CNC robotics. Umberto, a robot here at a machine tool fair, bit unusual maybe. What's this all about?
Yeah, we are milling steel on the machine tool fair with a robot, the so-called machine tool robot, the first time live that it is done in steel C45. So that's a real hard steel, which can be easily milled with a SINUMERIK. And this is a patented solution by Siemens, which dampens all the process forces occurring on the TCP, and therefore we can have a smooth process without any vibrations, and also according to the tool vendor cutting data's recommendations. So that is really nice. You don't have to reduce the spades. You can really handle this robot like a machine tool.
Where would we see this then in the real world? Where is it applied?
Well, if you look at the robot, it has a really big working area. And this really big working area enables us to really have big parts. You can even put the robot on a linear rail and extend the working area by a lot. And so you will have it very likely in the aerospace industry, automotive, energy sector, where we have big parts, or where we also have to bring the robot to a workpiece. And this is very nice, especially if you don't need like the micrometers accuracy. So the robot can handle, let's say, less than 0.1 millimeters, and is so fitting for a lot of use cases already.
So how does it actually work, and why is this one so unique?
Well, it's a Siemens patented solution. So we did some electromechanical advancements on the robot mechanics side. This together is implemented in our partners mechanics, Autonox Robotics and Danabat. And on the software side, on the other hand, we did also some improvements where we enhanced the controller structure, where we now can dampen all the oscillations occurring on the TCP. So this is really unique and SINUMERIK Siemens only.
And what about for the actual operator? What benefits does this bring along for that person?
Well, they continue with their standard programming language. So it's G-code or shop mill, so they can use CAD/CAM processes which are already existing in many shop floors. And with that, they don't really have to learn a new language. They don't have to learn how to operate the robot. They just press start, and then they are good to go.
Can you press start for us as well? Can we see it in action?
Of course. Let's see it in action, okay? I will start the process.
Thank you very much, and we'll leave you with that image. And that was our short talk here at EMO 2025 about the machine tool robot.